We do have our email question of the week, always on standby. This one, Matt, came across this week, and it grabbed my attention.
Little apropos.
Little
perhaps.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Comes from Dawn, and it said, I got a piercing. Infection started 24 hours later and spread from my ear, across my forehead, scalp, cheek, and neck. I was diagnosed as septic and cellulitis. Medical bills are already over $5,000. I don't have any health insurance. The tattoo parlor owner will not talk to me. Help! Explanation point. What do I do? Dawn Marie, what do you think? It seems like a perfect ask us anything question.
Yeah, it is. Well,
ask us anything.
First of all, Kenny, as a father of 2 girls, I would say, don't get a piercing, sweetheart. That'd be the first thing I'd lead off with. But it actually brings a very interesting point. These infection cases, staph infection cases.
Yeah.
Sometimes, and that's a real issue. Sometimes infections happen if all the correct protocols are being used, everything is done correctly. Sometimes, quite frankly, infections, they just happen.
Yeah.
So the issue in those kind of cases, when that kind of result does, is how can you prove it came for some breach of the standard of care? What did the tattoo parlor do wrong? What did they do right? And that's how it is. Just because you have a bad result, sometimes it happens. Sometimes, everyone can do everything right, and you just don't have the results you want, but the question is, what did they do? What was wrong? And there you go.
I see what you're saying. So just because there was a piercing, maybe you did something when you got home, or
no, not even that. Not even blaming her. Just maybe everything was done. It was medically done. It was sterilized. That thing, sometimes people just get infections.
Okay,
sometimes.
I got you.
That's right.
Is it worth a phone call to an attorney?
If she has more proof, if she has some proof or some more information that it was a dirty needle or some other thing or something,
or maybe other people have been infected.
Other people have been infected. Then she has something to kind of go with. But if she doesn't have more than that, it's going to be tough to proceed.
All right, Dawn. Thank you so much for the question this week. We really do appreciate it. It was a great question for Ask Us Anything. If you ever want to send us a question, just go to rmlawcall.com. Just Google it. You'll find it, and we'll get you set up on that one.